Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1966 Chevrolet Nova. This is a true 118 super sport car, guys. Really cool car. It's out of Alabama. You can see it's been lowered all the way around, 2 inches. It's got 2.5 inch drop spindles on the front. It's actually got a CPP bolt-in front suspension on it. I apologize, guys. Steve's gone home for the day. This little latch has come loose. You can see it's out there a little bit, but I'll make sure that we get it adjusted. Factory red car. This is a factory R code Regal red car. Black vinyl interior, and again, it is an original 118 Super Sport. Recent body up restoration. Again, just got a great look to it. Love these little shoebox Novas. 17-inch American Racing torque thrust 2s all the way around it. Good running little small block 350 underneath the hood. Car's got a good look, man. Sits good. Yes, you're gonna have to, give up a little ride for the look. They've updated the headlights. Chrome and stainless is nice on the car. Couple little marks there in your trim. Good looking car. There's a little touch-up mark there in your... Pretty car. It's got the padded dash. This is a good looking body style. Tough for me to get. These cars, along with everything, have gone right through the roof price wise. Good looking car. As you guys can see by the environment around me here, our weather has really changed. Again, I will make sure Steve adjusts that door. That doggone latch come a little loose. I tightened it down, but we need to get it adjusted in. Car's got a good look. Nice stance. Again, it's lowered all the way around. It's got that Pro Touring look. You can see it's got the slotted and drilled rotors on it. Power front disc brakes. It's good running small block 350. It's got dual feed 4-barrel on it. Chrome air cleaner. Finned aluminum valve covers. Again, it does have the CPP bolt-in front suspension. It's got an aftermarket power steering unit on it as well, but it's got tubular upper and lower control arms, 350 turbohydramatic trans, aluminum radiator with electric fan. I will tell you, the blower motor wasn't working on this thing, and I got very, very lucky, man. GM Classics, of course, the blower motor switch was bad, and nobody has that doggone thing in stock. It's been on back order for over a year. I just happened to call GM Classics today. They got 2 of them in today, so I got 1 on the way. Anybody hunting for a blower motor switch for these cars? Sorry, that's just a leaf, guys, if you see that. GM Classics has 1 left in stock. Talk about lucky, man. That's been the tough thing. I mean, parts are tough to come by. They have, I don't know if they powder coated these or what, but I'm assuming the chrome was bad and they did them in black and they redid the car. Again, that's another piece that you probably can't get right now. Parts are just tough to come by. Air conditioning units, I think, are 8 weeks out right now if you order them. New carpet, new sill plates. Bucket seats, console. It's got a billet steering wheel. I've got new floor mats on order for it. Those should all, matter of fact, got a big order on the way. Those should all be coming in soon. It's got a custom gauge cluster in it, tacking gauges. It's showing 235, guys. That's not the original miles. That's since they put that cluster in. They figured a couple thousand on this car since it's been done. It's got an aftermarket Retrosounds radio. Does have frame ties. 350 trans. It's got new dual exhaust. It's got a 10 bolt. Not a big gear in it too, like a highway gear. 323. And my guys left a little wax in there from them rubbing it out. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Car cover goes with it. Car's clean underneath. I got some pictures of the bottom of it for you as well. Again, there's some little things you can pick at on the car, but if you're looking for a good straight driver, I think you'll have a blast with this thing. Seats are nice. Again, real super sports, not a clone. That's not factory. Somebody's put that in there. In fact, the little sticker is still on the little radio thing. That's how new that is. It's got the dual chrome bow tie mirrors. Again, good running small block, nothing crazy. That's a good looking body style, man, especially when they get them down like this. Again, you're gonna sacrifice a little ride for the look, but they look good. Works, all your gauges work. Car's holding great oil pressure. Fuel gauge works. I'm not sure if anybody's seen that, just something on the side. Backup lights work. I wonder if that radio's that it can come on. I mean, that you can see the stickers on it's brand new. I'm wondering if that's. It might not. Yeah, I don't know if it's even hooked up. Blower motor switch. It's not going to work. We got a new switch on the way. Wipers do work. Yep, wipers do work. Oh, that's right. They ordered new rubbers. They're a little. The blades were a little too long. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Boy, that's a good looking car, man. Have a great day, guys.